Hatha Yoga Accreditation House Research. So you have actually chosen to be a yoga instructor, yet you do not really have the time to go to weeks or months of yoga exercise trainings, or spend downtime away from household and responsibilities, or you might just be burdened with the requirement of paying a relatively large amount for the accreditation class. Many hopeful yoga experts have found this to be an overwhelming barrier to their objectives and also desire for becoming a licensed yoga instructor. However, Hatha Yoga Certification Home Research Study Program has met the demands of a lot of confident yoga exercise practitioners. Furthermore, through today's internet modern technology, online training programs from yoga trainers are currently easily offered as well. Hatha Yoga Exercise Accreditation residence study lessons have existed for fairly a long time currently, as the financial burden as well as inconvenience of flying off to one part of the globe simply to obtain specialized training as well as qualification for yoga exercise teachers has actually ended up being rather an unattractive option for a great deal of yoga exercise specialists. So the option has actually become Hatha Yoga Exercise Qualification Home Research Study lessons, which are naturally even more ideal as well as practical. So what does a yoga professional require to try to find in a Hatha Yoga Qualification Home Study? There are some basic things that need to be present in a Hatha Yoga Exercise Certification Home Study, among which is a minimum of 200 hours of study, which is the usually granted minimum prerequisite for most of accreditation companies for yoga exercise educators. One more essential element is that the research ought to consist of extensive mentors such as chakras, bandhas, mudras, kriyas, doshas, meditation, asana, pranayama, contraindications, modifications, the subtle body, makeup, and also physiology. These days, the DVD has likewise ended up being one of the most usual worldwide video clip layout for yoga residence researchers, so videos for yoga certification are generally had in DVD layout too. In many cases where one had a yoga instructor in his or her previous yoga exercise course, can constantly look to them for advice if DVD video clip lessons come to be a rather tough task. Being a former yoga pupil is additionally an advantage as one has the ability to quickly grasp concepts shown in yoga qualification video clips, permitting a smoother process in the residence research certification lessons. Finally, there need to be ability of being able to keep down offered created tasks on time with emails, as it assists in speeding up the procedure of one's yoga exercise instructor qualification, in addition to assists in getting phone or email tutoring. Choosing Hatha Yoga Accreditation Home Research is normally hassle-free for a lot of individuals, but coming to be certified still lies within every house research trainee.